Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook hot dog with potatoes and carrots with a red sauce. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, tomato ketchup, what's the name of this one? Hot chili sauce. Okay, and then sriracha hot chili sauce, and then hot dog, carrots and potatoes, and then onions and garlic. This hot dog first. And then after that one, we're gonna set aside this one. Okay guys, so the hot dog is cooked, so set aside first. Okay, butter. Okay, just a little butter only, a tablespoon. Okay, we're gonna saute the garlic, the onions. Cook this one. Potatoes and carrots. I'm going to cook the potatoes and carrots first. Okay, I'm gonna simmer the carrots and potatoes for how many minutes? And when it's cooked, we'll be right back. Okay guys, so the potatoes and carrots are cooked. So, okay, soy sauce, pepper, salt, sauce. I'm gonna mix first. Okay, tansya lang guys. How much do you need? Oh, and then the sriracha. Okay guys. Ada hot dog. That guys, our hot dog with potatoes and carrots with a red sauce. Okay. Okay, potatoes and carrots with a red sauce. Okay, it's super yummy guys. Tasting time. I'm gonna get a piece of carrots and then potatoes. I just want to have just a little, and I'm gonna off the heat. Okay. It's yummy. We love this one because there's a little sweetness. The carrots. It's yummy guys. So that's our hot dog with potatoes and carrots in a red sauce, with a red sauce. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.